Hi everyone, I am Balaswamy. Welcome to Soft Skills by Bala channel. Today we shall see the topic stimulus and response from the book The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People written by Stephen Covey. So, what is this theory stimulus and response? Anything that makes us react is a stimulus. For example, somebody called you intelligent. How you would react to that? You may say thank you or you may smile. Or somebody says you are an idiot. Then how would you react? You may say it's okay or you may say you are also an idiot. Or somebody puts on TV in your home. How would you react? You also start watching the TV. So that is stimulus. Anything that makes you react is stimulus. It can be a word, it can be an event, it can be a place, anything that makes you react is a stimulus. Then response means once you have the stimulus, how do you behave? What you would say? That is your response. So stimulus and response. Every stimulus has a response. For example, animals and birds, they have a fixed response for the stimulus that they have. For example, if you take a stone and throw at a dog, it will either run away or it will bite you. So it has only two automatic responses. But as human beings, we can choose our response for any kind of stimulus that we have. We can choose our response. When somebody calls us idiot, immediately we need not call him idiot back. We can choose our response. We can be silent or we can ask him a question. Why do you think I am an idiot? So like that, you can choose your response. So between stimulus and response, there are 4 concepts. If you are aware of these concepts, you will give a proper response to the stimulus that you have. If you choose your response, you are a proactive person. But automatically if you respond, then you are a reactive person. Reactiveness doesn't give you any success. Only proactiveness gives you success. You should be able to choose your response depending on these 4 things. So what are these 4 things? Number 1, self-awareness. Number 2, imagination. 3, conscience. And 4, independent will. So we shall see one by one. Number 1, self-awareness. If you know yourself very well, you will know how to react. Imagine somebody calls you an idiot. Do you think you are an idiot immediately? No, you should be aware of yourself. You should know your strengths and weaknesses. So once you know your strengths and weaknesses, you will not believe that you are an idiot. So if you are aware of yourself properly, if you know your skill set, you may choose your response. So number 2, imagination. Imagination is a wonderful gift given by God to human beings. We can imagine several things. For example, during these times, corona pandemic, we can imagine that we are in some place where there is no COVID-19, where there is no coronavirus. So imagination is a beautiful thing given to human beings. We can imagine that we are elsewhere. We can imagine that actually something else has happened and choose our response accordingly. Next, number 3, conscience. Our conscience keeps on telling us what to do and what not to do. So just because there is a stimulus, we need not react immediately. We can listen to our conscience and then choose our response. And the last one, number 4, independent will. We can make a decision to react in a certain manner or to proact in a certain manner. Imagine in your office, your boss yells at you all the time. You can make a decision to yourself. Next time when my boss yells, I will not give any response. I will be silent. I will not fight with him. So by your independent will, you choose not to respond. So that is independent will. So using these 4 things, self-awareness, imagination, conscience and independent will, you can choose your response. If you choose your response to any stimulus that you have, your life will be in your control, or else your life will not be under your control. You will become just like another animal where if something happens, you react immediately and then do something. No, we are human beings and so we have to rise above it. We should be proactive. We should be able to decide our reaction to the external stimulus. So I hope you have understood this topic. Thank you so much for listening to me. If you like this topic, subscribe to this channel. Thank you.